So this year I got the inspiration to do Change Your Mind about the world, because right now the world is on fire in so many ways. And there's so much real craziness. The ego is going berserk in the world, and we can be a victim of it, but that's not what we are choosing. And the world is inviting us to see ourselves as victims with all the insanity that's going on, and we're not choosing to do that. People tell me all the time, "Aren't you terrified what's happening?" I'm like, no, I'm not even a little bit afraid. I feel absolutely confident that we are on track for the golden age of enlightenment. It is unfolding. It is happening. It's unstoppable. And we're bringing it forward. And we have spiritual responsibilities right now that are joyful spiritual responsibilities. So I have a lot of conversations with people who are really feeling worried and scared about what's happening in the world, which I understand. And still, we can change our mind about the world. And at the same time, I know, like me, you're an activist. We're spiritual activists. We're peace activists. And it's no joke. We play that role in this world happily, because we recognize we do have a spiritual responsibility to see the world correctly and to be out there in the world and not in a hermitage. And although we take breaks, obviously, we like to retreat and like to have a lot of solitude, but we're in the world, and we're demonstrating that you don't have to be in reaction to the world all the time.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, this is going to be such a great topic, and I'm so glad that you've shifted in this direction, because yeah, it's like Charles Dickens said, it was the best of times, it was the worst of times. I lean into the best of times because it is always darkest right before the light penetrates, and I know that the light is penetrating the hearts of so many of us right now, preparing us to play our role in this new renaissance. You know, we talked about what was happening in the 12th and 13th century, the end of a dark age and the dawn of a new light that came into the earth through not only mystics and artists and poets and writers, but I think the same thing is happening now. And we have to not be discouraged.